I've been dealing with the crazy world of weather for just about 10 years now, and it still amazes me how drastically and how fast things can change. Good morning, South Jersey. We begin the work and school week with a major winter storm barreling down on the area. If you look at the models back on Saturday and Sunday, well, we weren't getting anything, and now, well, we're preparing for over a foot of snow in some locations. I'll get to that in just a second, but let's take a look at our temperatures. Definitely conducive for the development of snow all over Atlantic and Cape May counties. We're at 28 degrees up in Hamilton, 28 in Egg Harbor City, 29 here in Galloway at the headquarters, 29 in Northfield, and a degree warmer, 30 degrees in Atlantic City. Going down the coast of Cape May County, 30s from Ocean City straight on down to the Cape to the Point. Villas coming in at 29 degrees right now. Looking at our Doppler radar, here it is. Here's the snow, almost as if by cue. With the exception of extreme southeastern New Jersey, most of the state is now filling in with some of the white stuff. It's light in variety and intensity, and I think that the heavier stuff will move in after the noon hour and really get churned up going after 2 and 3 o'clock this afternoon. So our weather headlines, the heaviest snow is going to fall between 5 and 10 o'clock tonight. That is when we could experience an hour or two of blizzard conditions. We will have a strong north wind transitioning to a northwesterly direction by this time. So blowing snow is definitely a likelihood and possibility. The jackpot, this has moved just a little bit since I made this graphic. Originally, I was looking east of Route 54, but it looks like the storm is going to hug the coast a little bit closer. So meaning that axis of heavy snow is going to be pushed back to probably right over Route 54, right over 206 up towards Burlington County, and a little bit further west towards the New Jersey Turnpike. Nonetheless, we're all in for a good snowstorm. A good amount of snow is going to fall out of it. Just that axis of where the heavier bands of snow will set up, that will determine what we see in terms of sizable amounts of snow. The blizzard conditions are possible, again, with heavier winds gusting up to 25 and 30 miles an hour this afternoon and this evening. It's going to be a lighter snow. Generally, the rule of thumb is 1 inch of liquid to 10 or 11 inches of snow. Since we have a lot of cold air in place, we're going to see the fluffier snow. So it's going to be a little bit easier to move, but the ratio will also be a little bit higher. We're looking at maybe 1 to 13 inches or 15 inches of snow or thereabouts. So expect to see a lot out of this one. We clear out very early in the morning on Wednesday. It starts to taper off right after midnight, but it's out of here for your morning commute. So kids, don't bank on a snow day. Going through your day today, by noon we see the light showers here in eastern Atlantic County, and then by 3, 4, 5 o'clock it really gets churned up. The temperatures are nosediving. We start at 29 and we bottom out in the low teens by tonight. 7 o'clock tonight, very heavy snow. If you don't have to go out, folks, don't. Just stay home and let the professionals clear the roads. Tonight, 10 o'clock, snowy and windy. Again, 17 degrees. We'll probably bottom out at around 10 for our low. Combined with the heavy winds, we're talking about real field temperatures below zero. Here is my updated accumulation map. Again, yesterday, I had this area in the 4 to 6 range. So many times I've changed my forecast based on new computer guidance information, and I have updated it yet again, moving that jackpot a little bit further west. We'll go 7 to 9 along Route 9 and the Parkway, a little bit more out towards Hamilton and Route 54 up towards Philadelphia. We'll go with the 7 to 9 as well. This is going to be a good nowcasting storm, so keep it posted right here to Facebook. I will have all the latest information available throughout the day. After the storm is out of here, frigid, biting winds behind that low as it exits. And we're not out of the woods just yet, because going into later this month, remember that polar vortex that we dealt with just a couple weeks ago? Well, it's going to be back for the latter half of the month. So extreme cold is with us through at least the end of the month. And there are also indications that it will be with us through February. So Above average snow totals so far for this season. Snow lovers, this winter is for you, and plenty of days left to go. All right, your South Jersey 5-day forecast. Thursday, 24 degrees. Friday, 19. Saturday, dare say we warm up. 32 degrees, the freezing point. 35 for Sunday, and I'm looking at the potential for some more snow. I don't know if it's going to be a bigger storm, but right now I'm just going to mention it for Monday, and then we nosedive back down into the 20s looking long term. Have fun out there today. Be safe. For Village Weather Center, I'm Chief Meteorologist NorEasterNick. Have a great day. Everywhere you go.